Giving you guys a little double trouble today. We're doing the front and we're doing the tail lights. Getting the black on. That was nice, man. All right, now we're working our way back over here, guys. This is a full 360 angle. Got the front and the rear going on. Those nice gloves, those nice action shots. Look at that focus right there. Smooth. Look at that perfect timing right there. Look at that. Look at that meticulous work, guys. Look at that. Boom. We're getting this, guys. I'm still waiting for the full rally design, whatever they're called, to come in. So they can go ahead and put that on, and that's gonna be really, really good. Oh, that's nice how you did that. Like that. Like that, because it kind of goes into the grill like that. It's kind of cool. It matches now. It matches now. That front definitely matches much, much better now. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty lit. Like I said, once we get the hood, the rest of the stuff, once we get the rally livery, we can add to that. Yeah, because then once we add to the sides, we add to the front, yeah, it's gonna be perfect. Add to that. All right, guys, so in this video, we're gonna be installing the Rally Armor mud flaps onto my STI. On the last video, you guys saw us finish up the front of the car and the bumper. The last video, you guys saw us do the rear tail lights, and man, do they both look amazing. Shout out to SubiSpeed again for these awesome tail lights. These are the newer models. I think they came out a year ago, maybe a little longer. But we get the sequential. I really like these. The old ones just kind of had this light, but they didn't really have the middle. But I really like how that middle also lights up too. And like I said, I want to go with the classy Subi style, with the red and the silver and the tail light, because we are going to be building this to be just like the original STI, because this is the last one coming out. So we're going to, oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, you just put the keys there. Start calling this the demon. That's straight up demon horns, yo. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for the help again.
That's no problem.
Yeah, you gotta take time out of your day to, well, I guess it's work for you, but still, you know, to fit me in and stuff. I appreciate it, man. Those little guys off. Alright guys, so we're gonna take off this first piece right here, and then we're playing more Legos, we like to say over here. Figure out what goes where. See guys, don't skip leg day, man. Look at all this suspension stuff in here, guys. Don't skip leg day. Look at that. Control arms, sway bars, coilovers, and links, toe arm. Look at that. Look at that setup, man. And you know, hard. I had to get the red and the blue and the white. You see that? You see? Even underneath the car is all red. I even got a. I'm not sure if you guys can remember and see, but I do have some chassis bracing underneath the car as well too. Let's give this a new angle. I'm getting dirty for you guys. We got getting the fronts on. The fronts are looking really nice. Fronts are looking really nice. Man, guys, I still can't even believe I have an STI, honestly. Like, this is pretty crazy, guys. Thank you guys for all the support and for following the journey, and let's keep getting it. We got the first side on, and wow, what a difference. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but man, it just goes really well with the car. Yeah, that is great. Raging Demon. So the rear just has the 2 instead of the 3, but you might have to take off some of the stuff and move it around a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, now we have a Subi, guys. Now let's go. Let's get them there. Well, suspension parts, man. Toe arms, rear control arms, SuperPro, sway bars. Oh, look at that. This is the original. It's nice, but you can see it's a little on the skinny side. You come over here, and you can just see. Oh man, that just makes such a big difference. Really good. Alright guys, so we decided to actually wrap this part, and oh my gosh, that is genius. They're just geniuses, man. That blue and the black is really gonna enhance. Looks really more mean. I didn't realize with my 15 bumper how different this actually is. Not even just the grill being bigger, but there's this line going down, there's that line, like there's different lines that are very subtle that you might not even notice. But damn, like looks so good. Looks so good. And then you can see we're actually gonna keep that blue, but have the black going to really just kind of enhance that blue and black style. Like I said, we're doing everything with the blue and the black, and then I just gotta wait for that livery to come in. Yeah, look at this, y'all. Yeah, that looks so much better. You can see the left side. Just looks like it's missing something there. I mean, it looks nice, but it just definitely is missing something. You go on the right side, and that black just really just makes it perfect. Like, it's just enough to where it really highlights. I like that. What do you think? Yeah, see, I think that looks perfect. Yeah, see, even the headlights. You can see it almost looks like one piece. Yeah, from the side too. Yeah, the side is like, yeah, this angle right here. Oh yeah, that's like the money shot right there. Yeah, that looks perfect. Look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is how this side looks. Nothing there, so you guys can see. Like I said, it looks nice. But when you come over here, oh, now we're really highlights the sea light. Really highlights the curves, the lines. Looks super aggressive. Yeah, that's money. We got some cinematic mode. It's really good. Just getting that piece on. So much more aggressive. Starting to get there. Cinematic mode's crazy. Wow, y'all, like, look at this. That came out perfect. That came out absolutely perfect. The headlight looks like it's one big piece now. Black, really showing off the lines of the front. This car has very underrated lines. See all the lines in the front bumper right here.